The heart of healthcare. Understanding medical billing and coding. Medical billing and coding is a vital part of the healthcare system. It ensures that healthcare providers receive payment for their services. This process involves translating medical procedures and diagnoses into standardized codes. These codes are then used to bill insurance companies and government programs. Accurate medical billing and coding are crucial. Errors can lead to claim denials, delayed payments, and even legal issues. This field requires attention to detail, a strong work ethic, and a commitment to ethical practices. Imagine a patient visiting a doctor for a routine checkup. The doctor examines the patient, diagnoses a common cold, and prescribes medication. Medical billing and coding professionals step in to document these services using specific codes. This information is then used to create a claim that is submitted to the patient's insurance company. The insurance company processes the claim and reimburses the healthcare provider for the services rendered. Speaking the language. Key terms in medical billing and coding. To navigate the world of medical billing and coding, it's important to understand the language. Here are a few key terms. CPT codes. Current procedural terminology codes describe medical procedures and services. ICD codes, International Classification of Diseases. Codes identify diagnoses and health conditions. HCPCS codes, Healthcare Common Procedure. Coding system codes encompass medical supplies, equipment, and services not included in CPT. CMS, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, is a federal agency that oversees Medicare, Medicaid, and other health-related programs. HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, protects the privacy and security of patient health information. Understanding these terms is just the beginning. Medical billing and coding professionals need to stay updated on the latest coding guidelines and regulations. This ensures accurate and compliant billing practices. The coding journey from diagnosis to claim. The medical coding process involves several steps to ensure accurate representation of healthcare services. It begins with the patient encounter, where healthcare providers document the patient's medical history, symptoms, examination findings, and treatment plan. Medical coders then review this documentation and assign appropriate codes for each diagnosis and procedure. They use their knowledge of medical terminology, anatomy, and coding guidelines to select the most specific and accurate codes. Once the codes are assigned, they are entered into a billing software program. This program generates a claim, which is a detailed electronic document that is submitted to the payer. The payer reviews the claim to determine the amount of reimbursement. Throughout this process, accuracy is paramount. Any errors in coding or documentation can result in claim denials or delays in payment. It is crucial for medical coders to have a keen eye for detail and a thorough understanding of coding guidelines. Precision is key. Accuracy and compliance in medical billing and coding. Accuracy and compliance are non-negotiable in medical billing and coding. Inaccurate coding can lead to claim denials, financial losses for healthcare providers, and even legal repercussions. Compliance with regulations ensures patient privacy and safeguards against fraud and abuse. Imagine a scenario where a medical coder mistakenly uses a code for a complex procedure when the patient only received a simple consultation. This error could result in an inflated claim being submitted to the insurance company. The insurance company might flag the claim for review, leading to a delay in payment or even an audit of the healthcare provider's billing practices. This situation highlights the importance of accurate coding to avoid financial and legal complications. Medical billing and coding professionals must stay updated on coding guidelines and regulations. They play a critical role in maintaining the financial health of healthcare organizations while upholding ethical standards. Section 5. Real-world applications, medical billing and coding in action. Let's look at a real-world example to illustrate how medical billing and coding work in practice. Consider a patient who visits their doctor with complaints of chest pain. After a thorough examination, the doctor diagnoses the patient with angina and recommends an angiogram. The medical coder would review the doctor's notes and assign ICD codes for angina and CPT codes for the angiogram procedure. These codes would then be used to generate a claim, which would be submitted to the patient's insurance company. The insurance company would use the codes to determine the amount of reimbursement for the doctor's services and the hospital's fees for the angiogram procedure. Accurate coding ensures that the healthcare providers are reimbursed appropriately for their services. This example demonstrates the crucial role of medical billing and coding in facilitating the financial transactions within the healthcare system. It ensures that patients receive the care they need, while healthcare providers receive timely and accurate payments. Section 6. Mastering the craft tips for aspiring medical billing and coding professionals. For those considering a career in medical billing and coding, here are some essential tips to excel. First, develop a strong foundation. Start by gaining a thorough understanding of medical terminology, anatomy, and physiology. Enroll in a reputable medical billing and coding program to learn the fundamentals of coding classifications, guidelines, and regulations. Next, cultivate attention to detail. Medical billing and coding demand meticulous attention to detail. Train yourself to identify discrepancies, ensure accuracy in code selection, and maintain organized and error-free documentation. Embrace technology. Familiarize yourself with medical billing software, electronic health record systems, and coding resources. Utilize technology to streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and stay updated on industry advancements. Finally, seek practical experience. Gain hands-on experience through internships or entry-level positions in healthcare settings. Practical application of coding knowledge in real-world scenarios will solidify your skills and boost your confidence. Section 7. The human touch. The importance of soft skills in medical billing and coding. While technical expertise is paramount, soft skills are equally crucial for success in medical billing and coding. Effective communication, both written and verbal, is essential for interacting with healthcare providers, insurance companies, and patients. Problem-solving skills are valuable for investigating claim denials, identifying coding discrepancies, and finding solutions to billing challenges. Teamwork and collaboration are essential for working effectively within a healthcare team. Medical billing and coding professionals often act as intermediaries between healthcare providers and insurance companies. Their ability to communicate clearly and professionally is vital for resolving billing issues, answering inquiries, and ensuring smooth claim processing. Moreover, a strong ethical compass is crucial. Medical billing and coding professionals handle sensitive patient information. They must adhere to HIPAA regulations and maintain the highest standards of confidentiality and ethical conduct. Section 8. Beyond the books. Continuing education and professional development. The field of medical billing and coding is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, coding guidelines are updated, and regulations change. To stay ahead of the curve, continuous learning is essential. Pursue continuing education opportunities, such as workshops, online courses, and industry conferences. These avenues provide valuable insights into the latest coding updates, billing practices, and compliance requirements. Consider obtaining professional certifications, such as the Certified Professional Coder credential offered by the AAPC or the Certified Coding Associate credential offered by the AHIME. Certifications demonstrate your expertise and commitment to professional growth. By investing in your professional development, you'll enhance your skills, expand your knowledge base, and position yourself as a valuable asset in the competitive job market. Continuous learning ensures you remain at the forefront of this dynamic field. Section 9. A rewarding career. The future of medical billing and coding. Medical billing and coding offer a stable and rewarding career path, particularly for those with a passion for healthcare and a keen eye for detail. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 15% growth in medical records and health information technician jobs from 2021 to 2031, much faster than the average for all occupations. As the healthcare industry continues to expand and evolve, the demand for skilled medical billing and coding professionals will only increase. By mastering the intricacies of medical coding, embracing lifelong learning, and upholding ethical practices, you'll be well equipped to thrive in this vital and fulfilling profession. The future of healthcare relies on accurate and efficient billing and coding practices. By pursuing a career in this field, you'll play a direct role in ensuring the financial health of healthcare organizations while contributing to the well-being of patients.